Hi, I'm Adam from SolarNSat. This week in the SolarNSat workshop we've been working on this fifth wheeler. We'll run you through the install. We'll run through the components of this system. We've got the multi-plus 12 volt 3000 volt amp inverter. Got the BMV712 smart battery monitor paired up with the color control GX display. Also there we've got the two 100-50 Mppt solar regulators. The combined input of the solar that we've put on this system is 7 180 watt solar panels. That splits between two regulators and goes to the battery. Next we have the battery protect. Battery protect is a must when it comes to the smart lithium battery. Just overall protection of the whole unit. You've also got main maxi fuse holders there to protect the whole system. And finally we've got the Victron Energy smart lithium battery. This one here is a 200 amp hour and that can up stage of about 400 amps of discharge. Okay, so here's the install that I've done on the roof here. We've got 7 180 watt solar panels, total of 1260 watts of solar, roughly around that 70 amps of charge. So to regulate the solar, what I've done is I've run 3 180 watt solar panels into 100-50 regulator and 4 180 watt solar panels into the other 150- regulator. Well, here at SolarNSat, we pride ourselves in the quality of the workmanship that gets done in all caravans. We treat it like we would want it to be our own.